My name is Audrey. I am 9 years old. I am in class 3. I'm going to show you how to use 3D Sctch Blocks to do iteration. The blocks needed are when green flag click block, say block, repeat block, and wait block. And of course, I'll need my sprite and backdrop. First, I pick my backdrop and place it on the stage. Then I pick my sprite and place it on the backdrop. Then I go to the blocks. I pick my when green flag click block and place it on the script area. Then I pick my repeat block and place and snap it underneath the when green flag click block. Then I write repeat 4 times. Then I pick my say block and place it in the middle of the repeat block. Then I write say hi for 2 seconds. Then finally I pick my wait block and place it underneath the C block. Then I write wait 3 seconds. Now when I press my green flag, the sprite will keep on saying hi for 4 times. And that is the end of my project. Bye.